This is the solution of worksheet 10, Mathematics, class 9, chapter 7, polynomial. So the first question is we have to find we are given the expression first. We are given the polynomial fx equal to x square plus 9x minus 6, and we have to find f0, f1 and f3. So f0 means that is put x equal to 0, that is put 0 in place of x and then solve. So here 0 square 9 into 0 minus 6, so answer is minus 6. And for f1 again put 1 in place of x everywhere in this expression and then solve. So answer is 4 in this case. And number 3 again do the similar thing, and here the answer is 30. And the next question is we have to find the zeros of the given polynomial. Like for example, we are given fx equal to 2x minus 2 minus x here. Then what is the zero of this? So equate this to 0 and then solve. So you will get x equal to 2. So the zero of this polynomial is 2. That is, for x equal to 2, this will be 0. And for fx equal to 7x plus 2, the zero of this will be again equate this to 0 and then solve. So x equal to minus 2 by 7. So the zero of this polynomial is minus 2 by 7. The next is this here. In this case, again we have to find the 0, like fx equal to 2x, then 2x equal to 0, then x equal to 0 by 2, that is x equal to 0. So in this case, the 0 of this 2x will be 0. And the fourth number of question number 2 is ax plus b. So ax plus b equal to 0, then ax equal to minus b, then x equal to minus b by a. So the 0 of fx is equal to minus b by a. So this is the second question, and this is the third one here. In this question, third one, we are given this polynomial fx equal to this, and then we have to find f1 and f minus 1. So again here you will put the value of 1, that is you will put x equal to 1 in place of x here and then solve. So in this case, after solving, you will get 11. And f minus 1, again the process is similar here, put minus 1 in place of x and then solve. So answer is here minus 7. Answer is minus 7 here. So this is the third question, and the fourth one is here this. And in this fourth one, we are given this polynomial, that is this is the polynomial 4x cube plus 4x square minus x minus 1. And in this this polynomial is divided by 2x plus 1. 2x plus 1 here, this is 2x plus 1. So we have to find the remainder by using the remainder theorem. So here first equate this to 0, then we will get x equal to minus 1 by 2, x equal to minus 1 by 2 here. Then put minus 1 by 2 in place of x in the polynomial, this polynomial, and then solve it. And then after solving, the value will be 0. So that is when we replaced x with minus 1 by 2, the answer of this is 0. It means that this is the factor, or this is the multiple, that is 2x plus 1 is the multiple of the given polynomial. So 2x plus 1, because this 2x plus 1 divides and we get the remainder 0. So this expression 2x plus 1 is the multiple of px. So this is the answer of this. 2x plus 1 is the multiple of px. So this is what we have to prove by using the remainder theorem. And next one is the question number 5. Here this, and this 5 is a little longer. And in this we are given two polynomials. Suppose the one is px equal to x cube plus 2x square minus px minus 7, and the other one is qx equal to x cube plus p square minus 12x plus 6. So these are the two polynomials, and the px, that is the first polynomial, is divided by x plus 1. And when you divide x plus 1, when you divide this polynomial by x plus 1, the remainder is r1. So division means here x plus 1. So here x plus 1 equal to 0, then x equal to minus 1. Then you will put x equal to minus 1 in this, and then the remainder will be r1, that is p minus 1 equal to r1 here. And then here put, then we get r, that is minus 5 plus p equal to r1. So this is equation number 1. This is the equation number 1. And we will do the similar process for the second polynomial. For the second polynomial, this second polynomial is divided by x minus 2. So again, take x minus 2 equal to 0, then x equal to 2, then put x equal to 2 in place of x, then you will get the remainder. That is, this is the remainder in this case R2. And solve, then we have the another expression 4p minus 10 equal to R2. So these are the two expressions. These are the two expressions. So this is the equation number 2 and this is the equation number 1. Now we are given another one, like here we are given this in the question, that 2r1 plus r2 equal to 6. Now put the value of r1 and r2 in this place here by using 1 and 2, and then solve this equation. After solving this equation, we will get p equal to 26 by 6, that is p equal to 4 and 1 by 3. So this is the answer. And question number 6, in this question number 6, we have to find the remainder only. So you are given this polynomial, and when this is divided by x minus 1, then take x minus 1 equal to 0, then x equal to 1, then the remainder of this will be equal to p1, that is p1, and then replace x with 1 and then solve. So answer is 52 in the first case. And for the second polynomial, here again put x equal to 1 and then solve. So in this case the remainder is 5. So this is the solution of this worksheet. I hope you understood all the solutions, and if you have any question regarding this solution, then you can ask from the message box from your app. So you must ask if you have any query. Thank you.